What is Dixie Belle's Pre-Stain Wood Conditioner and why do I need it? Let's learn about wood conditioner and how it can help you get your project ready for stain. Before you apply your wood conditioner, you're going to have to prepare your wood. Sand your wood surface down to the bare wood using a sander or sandpaper. Notice how dry this wood looks, how uneven the surface is? The wood conditioner is going to help prepare this surface for stain. Make sure your freshly sanded surface is nice and dry and dusted with a clean cloth. Once you have prepared your wood surface, you can apply your conditioner. You can use a cloth, an applicator pad, or a paintbrush to apply your wood conditioner. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to apply this wood conditioner using Voodoo Gel Stain after, as well as No Pain Gel Stain, that's an oil-based product. For this small tabletop, I will be using an applicator pad to apply my wood conditioner to the surface. I'm going to wipe this on in the direction of the wood grain. Applying wood conditioner to your surface is the first step to getting a gorgeous, even stain job. You can really see the difference that a wood conditioner makes when you apply it to a dry tabletop. Wood conditioner can be used with Voodoo Gel Stain, which is water-based, or No Pain Gel Stain, which is oil-based. Here I am using an applicator pad to evenly distribute the Voodoo Gel Stain to the top of this small project, working in the direction of the wood grain. You can choose to seal your No Pain Gel Stain or your Voodoo Gel Stain with your choice of top coat. Let me show you how to apply your wood conditioner to a surface that has been sanded and then use No Pain Gel Stain over top of it. Wood conditioner is also called pre-stain. It's a substance that you can put on the wood before you stain it. These wood conditioners protect the stain from penetrating too deeply into the wood. This can seem counterintuitive at first, but this gives the stain much more of an even finish. You can really see in this video how easily this No Pain Gel Stain is absorbed into the wood product. I sealed this project with gator hide. Dixie Belle's Pre-Stain Wood Conditioner is available in the 4-ounce size.